Okay guys, listen, I am incredibly excited to get into today's video because if you guys follow me over on Instagram, you remember I teased a pair of shoes and I just showed you guys the box and I said, any guesses what's inside? Now, of course, I had plenty of people guessing on what pair of sneakers I had in this box, and the thing is, I never opened it up to see what's inside. I haven't seen this pair of sneakers, so you can guess what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be taking a look at them. Oh, and what's the mountain of boxes that you see behind me? Yes, we're also going to be getting into all of that as well. So we got a decent video ahead of us. We've got some really cool stuff to check out. So of course, let's jump straight into it. All right, so let's start off with some Nike sneakers action. Let's see what we managed to pick up over the past week or two. So we got a pull tab, and inside the box is the undefeated collaboration Dunk versus AF1. So if you guys remember, I think a week ago I got those undefeated Air Force Ones and I was telling you guys how much I freaking loved that pair of sneakers. This is the second Air Force One, or I guess the third out of the collaboration, but the second one that I have. And here it is. Okay, so straight out of the box, I want to say these are not as nice as the other ones. I like the blue, yellow, and the white, and this whole undefeated collaboration on the Dunks and the Air Force Ones I've actually really liked. I think there's some really interesting ideas behind it, the 5 different materials, and then the theme of these materials look really cool. But this one, now that I'm getting it in hand and I'm feeling this kind of crocodile print, it feels really poor quality. It doesn't feel that great. It does just feel like a print that they've, splashed on this this leather material. And because it's such an overpowered amount on this pair, it's something I don't really like. It's something that I didn't necessarily like on the other Air Force One as well, but again, they only had it on the Nike swoosh and it wasn't that bad. Hey, maybe you really like these. I understand that from the colorway standpoint, but as far as the Air Force One goes, I'm not really feeling it. All right, so we got an end clothing box. Let's pull this open. I'm loving how none of these boxes require a knife or something like that, because I got a pair of scissors, but I don't quite yet have an unboxing knife, so hopefully that will come in the future. So this one, I'm not going to show you the box till I pull it open unless you can already see. God, this fits. Actually, you know what? I'm going to show you this box. It is a perfect fit, the shoe box with the shipping box. This is the Adidas Super Turf Sean Weatherspoon. And let's pull these open because I'm excited to see these. Okay, you get a little bag, which is really cool. Some really interesting colors. It's like a little tote bag. Feels really nice, feels like it's been recycled or something. So let's pull these crazy things out of this bag and let me show you the Sean Weatherspoon Super Turf. Here it is. And something really interesting about this sneaker as well is that some people may not know this, but it's a triple collaboration. It's Sean Weatherspoon, it's Adidas, and Disney. So Disney comes in with the Jiminy Cricket theme. So as you can see on the tongue, there's a little embroidered figure of Jiminy Cricket, and that's quite funny. But again, I mean, it's the least crazy thing going on with this pair of sneakers. There's so many colors, so many different materials. The materials feel very interesting, nothing insanely premium or anything like that, but it feels good. And I'm actually liking this pair of shoes. I'm not a huge fan of the colors. I feel like it might be just a little bit too crazy for me. And then the silhouette just in general is something that, you really have to be someone who can pull this off to be able to get this one. So on the right pair of shoes, you get this little bag that attaches not only to the sneaker, but it also can hang around your neck with a little necktie that they give you as well. So it is like almost like a little bag, I guess, that you can put, I don't know, some spare change, some cash, anything that you feel like you would want to chuck on your shoes in a bag. I'm not too sure what that would be, but you get the option. I think it's pretty cool. And yeah, let me know what you guys think of this one. I think it might be a little bit too crazy for me, but I'm definitely going to try it out. All right, let's get into this one because it's not a new sneaker. It's actually one that released I think a couple weeks back, and I wanted to get another pair. So let me unbox this real quick. So a very small box and a very simple box. But of course, this is the latest Yeezy foam runner, and of course, this is the ochre colorway. I actually put in a bid for these around the time when these released. I was trying to get a pair because obviously I didn't hit for retail. And the seller actually messaged me recently because I think they declined it or something, and he just was like, yo, I'm gonna offer you a really good deal. And I was like, cool, I'm gonna take it. So I got these for a decent amount. You know, obviously it's not anything close to retail, but for a foam runner, it's actually a solid deal. So I thought, I'm not gonna pass up on it. I am gonna double up, because right now the Yeezy foam runner in the ochre colorway is like one of my favorite colorways, and it's also like the cheapest. So I thought it'd be crazy not to pick up another pair of these for when my pair gets beat the hell out of. I mean, geez, I would probably choose these over the Sands just by the price tag. Like, maybe if they were identical in the price, I would take the Sands, but considering that these are a lot less than those sand colorways, I would definitely go for this ochre one. So we're not going to spend too much time on this, because these two pairs again have released ages ago. It was an exclusive access event on the Adidas Confirmed app. It's nothing new. We've seen this plenty of times before. When the Adidas Confirmed app pops up with exclusive access for a bunch of different Yeezys, you go and try and check out as quick as possible. They send you a notification. It's quite fun. I think it's a really cool idea. I managed to get 2 pairs. It's different across regions as well. I know the US, you guys had different pairs of sneakers for exclusive access. I, however, had a bunch of Yeezy 350s, and this is the very, very nice stone colorway. I think is one of the more slept on colorways of the 350. Like, it's very, very clean. I love this colorway. So yeah, that's one of the 350s I got. We're again not going to spend too much time because you guys have seen these. I've done a review. Maybe look into it. If you're in the market for 350s, it's definitely one of the cleaner options. It's a very nice colorway. But yeah, let me chuck these in the back. Let me show you the second pair that I got on the Confirmed app, because that's also another little tip. If you didn't know, on the Adidas Confirmed app, when they do give you exclusive access, you can get 1 pair of each of the shoes that they give you access for. So I think in my case there was 3 different ones. I went for 2 of them. I think the other one was Israfil's, and it is the Ash Pearl, another very, very clean pair of 350s. I wouldn't say that this one is necessarily slept on, but yeah, just some exclusive access for Yeezy 350s. There's plenty of more 350s coming in the pipeline. So honestly, if you don't have any of these, if you didn't get exclusive access, I wouldn't worry at all. There's still plenty in the pipeline when it comes to this sneaker model. It's not going anywhere anytime soon. All right, we're not done with Nike sneakers though, because I managed to get another pair. So let's take a look at this one, and this one's pretty, like, I've got pretty high hopes for this one. There's a lot of people again talking about this one. It's another collaboration that I'm sure you guys are pretty familiar with now, because these came out a while ago out in the US, but they only recently came out here. And of course, it's that frickin' undercover collaboration again. And of course, it is the Dunk Low. I think I'm still going to be picking those Air Force Ones over these Dunks. I like this. I think it's clean, but it's certainly, I don't know what it is about those Air Force Ones. Those things, like the colorway was nailed, the materials were nailed. Now this one, I would say the colorway is solid. It's not amazing, it's solid. I like the blue. I'm not a huge fan of the purple mixed in on the medial and the lateral, and then of course the outsole as well. The actual snake print that they've got on here feels a lot better than what was on the Air Force One. It definitely feels a lot more premium, a lot softer as well, so these are going to feel better on foot. However, this one is probably up there with one of my favorites from this whole Undefeated collaboration. And let me know if you guys have got any of the Undefeated 5 on it pack, and let me know which colorway you managed to get or what's your favorite. But these are going in the back, another solid hit I'm pretty happy about. Okay guys, it is time to get into the mysterious pair of sneakers, the one that you guys were guessing about over on Instagram. By the way, if you want to go and follow me over on Instagram, it is at @LBellSneakers. I do recommend. It's just a good time over there, and why not, right? Why not? Definitely not seen any videos. I've definitely not seen anybody that I know have this pair of sneakers, so it's pretty exciting to check this one out, and we're going to be doing it together because I have not seen these. I'm not too sure actually when I'll do this review, probably when we get some more information about the release date of this sneaker, because I think as of right now it's pretty under wraps. So same paper, same everything, and again I'm gonna save a lot of the details about this for the review. I've got to try these on, I've got to do a lot of things like that, so the review will be coming soon, but we're gonna take a little sneak peek over here first and foremost. Now again, I'm not saying that this is the amazing sneaker. saying it's fun to look at. Oh my lord, this is insane. What the heck? Take a look at that. Holy crap, what the hell is this? This is the Sacai and Nike Jean Paul Gaultier collaboration. So again, it's another triple collaboration, which seems to be the most popular thing this year. Basically like a hybrid version of the Sacai Vapor Waffle, where they've actually added a little extender piece on the top. So we've got a little bit of extra room here where, you know, it extends a little bit higher. Nice colorway. But a lot more going on than I actually expected. This is a pretty insane pair of shoes. Whether you guys like this or not, I do want to hear down in the comment section. What are your thoughts? I know what my initial thoughts are, but I'd love to hear yours down there. But hey, that pretty much wraps it up for today's video, guys. I want to thank you so much for coming through. Let me know what you think of those sneakers down in the comment section. Did you manage to get any? I'll meet you down there. But of course, thank you so much for coming through, hanging out, liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Let's go. Yeah, why not, right? But until then.